Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pi-Girl. Since we have started a new series on Arduino, it's time for the tutorial 2, which is basically on ultrasonic sensor and Arduino. So let's straight away get started with the video. First things first, you will have to connect Arduino with ultrasonic board, which has two main pins, trigger and echo, which is connected to 2 and 3 respectively, and also make sure to connect or power up the sensor using ground pin and VCC pin. Now let's move on towards the coding part. We will start with the basics by defining the pins. So there are two main pins, one is echo and one is trigger. We will define it with 2 and 3 respectively. Basically the trigger pin sends short pulses and echo pin receives it back. Now coming towards the setup function, we will set it as input and output pins. Trigger pin is defined as output and echo pin is defined as input. Now once the setup is done, let's move on towards the loop function where actual magic happens. So we will be sending short pulses to trigger pin and waiting for a bit for like delay of 2 microseconds and then stopping the pulse. This triggers the ultrasonic sensor to send out the ultrasonic rays. Before this, we are going to define two main important variables, distance and duration. Now, the echo pin measures the time it takes for a wave to bounce back, and this will be stored in the variable called duration. And also, we are going to calculate distance in centimeters with the speed of sound, and then we will print the distance to serial monitor, and there we have it, a simple measurement device. Now it's time for us to upload the code by selecting the right port and right board. Once you upload the code, click on serial monitor to measure the distance of the object from the ultrasonic sensor. We have just created a basic distance measurement device using an Arduino and ultrasonic sensor. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting projects. Also, make sure to catch up on my previous videos on Arduino series. Also, drop a comment on sharing your thoughts on next videos on Arduino series.